Hello, I'm Joel Everett from Joel's Tractors and Auction, reminding you to don't miss our upcoming huge tractor and machinery auction Thursday, March 6th, starting at 9 a.m. This auction will feature many high-quality items off local retirements, estates, and more, including items from Yoder, McTaggart, Welter, Gray, Boatkers, Dahlings, and many more. As you can see, we are scrolling through one of our high-quality lines of equipment that will be sold Thursday, March 6th. This auction will feature 60 to 80 high-quality local tractors, 500 to 700 implements, 20 plus UTVs, several construction items, and more. As we are moving through the items, you'll see a low-use, high-quality John Deere 7230 open station, a really nice Kubota low-hour SSV 75. Now, as we are scrolling through, you will see several low-hour 40 and 50 series local John Deere tractors, a really low, clean-use H&S mixer mill, a nearly brand-new Kawasaki Ridge, one of our two really nice Magnums on the sale, and as we scroll a little further here, you will see the Welter retirement line with the 4,800 hour John Deere 4240, his 4-shank nearly new Ripper, and one of the highlights of the auction, a John Deere 7830 with 1,760 original hours on it. Next, you will see a diamond in the rough, a barn find, a John Deere 4040 with 2,150 hours, entering into the muscle tractor row, courtesy of Jeff Friedline, two 2155 Olivers, a 1750 diesel, and all the fenders you could ever need for your Oliver tractors. Next, we are entering then the back side of the row. You'll find several nice pieces of low-use haying equipment, a Massey Ferguson late model disc spine, a low baled 8800 bale John Deere 569 round baler, another nice 7150 MFD Magnum, a 2016 H&S line wrap bale wrapper, low use. Next, we have the Boatker line from Loudon, Iowa, a very nice John Deere 7800 and their 568 round baler. As you can see, we are very well represented with high quality items here on the auction. As we are rolling through, you'll notice a low-hour, very clean Bobcat 45 horse mini excavator and a Gale V220 with only 200 original hours. Next, you'll find a locally drove in John Deere 6430 with only 6,000 hours, as pretty as you'll find. One of four nice no-till drills you'll find on the lot. That one is a hay buster. We also have a Truax and a 750 John Deere. You'll also notice a few of the nice other skid loaders we have, as there's easily 15 skid loaders on the auction, and one of two very clean Case IH grinder mixers with scales. Also one of many manure spreaders, as our spreader selection will be the best you'll find in the country. So we'd like to remind you to don't miss our upcoming auction. Again, it's Thursday, March 6th at 9 a.m. at Joel's Tractors and Auction. Online bidding available. Hit our website at www.everetttractors.com. Thank you.